From the dashboard, click on Contacts in the sidebar. Next, click on Customers to view and manage customer contacts. On the Customers page, click the Add button to create a new customer contact. In the Add a New Contact window, ensure the contact type is set to Customers. Select the customer type as Individual. Now, enter the customer's first and last name in the designated fields. Proceed to enter the customer's mobile number. Once the required information is entered, click Save to create the new customer contact. The list of customers is now displayed. You can use the search bar to find a specific customer. To record a payment from a customer, locate the customer and click the Action button next to their entry. From the drop-down menu, select Pay. In the Add Payment window, select the appropriate payment method from the drop-down. Next, select the date the payment was made. Enter the amount paid by the customer. Finally, select the payment account where the funds were received. You may attach a document and enter any payment notes if needed. Once all details are accurate, click Save to record the customer payment.